Welcome students in my class. Today I go into our third chapter, word problems related our cross multiplication method in exercise our 3.5. So in last part I just touch up the basic conditions for the cross multiplication method. One of the unique conditions, unique solutions, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Second, if your lines are parallel, then conditions are there, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. And infinite many solutions, then the condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. And that related students, here are some practical numericals I just going today. So in this exercise 3.5, question number 2, find the value of AB for given two equations have infinite number of the solutions. It means third case students. So cases are same apply. Given equation I just translate in the standard form. So here 2x plus 3y, 7 take inside, statement 1. Similarly here a minus bx, a plus by, minus 3a, minus b plus 2, it is your second equations. Students, this numerical is a IMP here for exam level. Yes. Now we compare with equation known a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 for equation 1, and combine write down a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 for equation 2, and both equations wise just I compare a1 b1 c1, what you get 2 3 minus 7, and a2 b2 and c2, what is a2 a minus b, a plus b, and here minus 3a minus b plus 2, our c2. Now students, I go to our conditions. What is condition given? They have infinite number of the solutions. So conditions, I hope you know our third conditions, and that conditions utilize in this numericals. Students, numerical is a 3 marks question. So if L1 and L2 means equation 1 and equation 2 have infinite many solutions, so what is the condition? Yes, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and is equal to c1 by c2, and these all values already known. So apply that first a1 by a2, 2 by a minus b, same as b1 by b2, 3 by a plus b, and c1 by c2, it is minus 7 by minus 3a minus b plus 2. And students, these all values a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2, I just put down that 2 by a minus b, 3 by a plus b, and minus 7 by minus 3a minus b plus 2. Now I start these two are first comparisons, after that these two are comparisons. So students, I just highlight for you these two are comparison first, and then after this two are comparison, and you derive one more equations. So we compare first these two. So for 2 by a minus b, 3 by a plus b, and making the cross multiplications, 3 with a minus b, so you get just 2a plus 2b, 3a minus 3b, and here one equation done. So 2a minus 3a, 2b plus 3b, 3a take left side, 3b also taking right to left side. So how many it is? Minus a plus 5b is equal to 0. And here apply our equation number 3. Now I just compare these two. And again one more equation students here I derive. So now these two are the equality, 1 by 1. So 3 by also the value 3 upon a plus b minus 7 upon minus 3a minus b plus 2. So here also cross multiply. You getting that minus 7 with a plus b. So finally 3 3s are 9a minus 3b plus 6 minus 7a minus 7b. Again you just students compare the value with a and b. So minus 7a, sorry, minus 9a minus 3b plus 6. Here plus 7a plus 7b. It means like sum are just compare 7a minus 9a minus 2a, 7b minus 3b, it is 4b, and plus 6 is as it is. Statement number 4. You also taking here 2 common, and that you taking statement 4, minus a, 2b and 3. Statement number 4. Students, I just common taking 2 and 2 and divide the all values. So minus a plus 2b plus 3. Now solving 3 and 4 by any method. Cross, either elimination, either substitution. Students, best way elimination. So solve 3 and 4 by elimination. In textbook not mention the proper which method apply. So best way you going to eliminations. Minus a plus 5b equal to 0, and here minus a plus 2b equal to minus 3. Yes, symbol change. Plus a minus a gone. 5b minus 2b, 3b is equal to 3. What is the b? Yes, it is 1. Here 1 value is over, and I going to third either 4. Best way third. From 3 minus a plus 5b equal to 0, apply the b value, and successfully you just get the value of a. A is a 5. And students, here our done one numerical for 3 marks questions. Easily over that, but comparison by condition wise, if you students here condition different given, infinite many solutions defined, I given unique solutions, then you getting here not equal to not equal to. So answer is a not equal to coming. Okay, and maybe parallel given, no solutions, but is infinite wise are over here this sum. Now one more students, new numerical for second one. Find the value of k for given equation for both 1 and 2 have no solutions. Students, no solutions, conditions related, this question asking. So you know the conditions, no solutions. Yes, condition you known. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. First of all, I arrange in the standard form. Arrange in standard form. Necessary students, you arrange them in standard form. So first of all, 3x plus y minus 1, statement 1, and here 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y minus 2k minus 1 is equal to 0, statement 2, and both 1 and 2, yes, it compare. So we compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 for equation number 1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 for equation number 2. Students, this 1 and 2 equations just I apply for comparisons. So what I getting? Yes, this value is getting for comparisons value. So here a1, b1, c1. Our a1 value is a 3, 1, minus 1. And same as a2, b2 and c2. What is the a2? It is 2k minus 1. Next k minus 1. And last 2k minus 1. Minus 2k minus 1. That's your third. A2, B2, C2. Now, if given pair of equations have no solution, students, no solution. So what is the condition? Yes, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. And that value, students, I just applying their value wise. So putting their value, students, A1 3, A2 2k minus 1. Same B1 1, B2 k minus 1 is not equal to C1, it is minus 1, and C2 is a minus 2k minus 1. So here, students, also you going to pairing wise. I just compare first these two. Please not compare. First of all, I just first two comparisons. So what you getting? 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1, and apply that cross multiplications. So you get only 3k minus 3, here 2k minus 1. It means 3k minus 2k is equal to 3 minus 1. So finally you getting k is equal to, it is 1. Sorry, k is equal to 3 minus 1, it is 2. And students, here almost numerical is done. But I just also comparison to our, this case is also not equal to wise, and define their values. So after that, k equal to is a 2. I just moving ahead for these two comparisons value. Sometimes in MCQ also asking which value of k is not possible. So you also taking for this cases 1 by k minus 1 is not equal to minus 1 by minus 2k minus 1. So here minus 2k minus 1 is not equal to minus of k minus 1. So minus 2k minus 1 is not equal to minus k plus 1. It means your value, students, minus 2k plus k, 1 plus 1. So minus k is not equal to 2, k is not equal to minus 2. This value is never happen in this case. If you here obtain k equal to minus 2 and here obtain k not equal to minus 2, then k does not exist. Sometimes they given that type questions. Correct answer is this 2. After checking that, it is a checking. So finally possible value of k is how many? It is only and only, that is the 2. And here, students, our numerical is easily done. Now students, next question ahead, question number 3. Solving by substitutions and cross multiplications. Yes, both method asking. So first of all, I explain you substitutions method. And here consider our statement 1 and here consider statement 2. Students, both method wise answer is same coming, but method is different, but answer same coming. Okay, I start for the method of our substitutions. So first of all, highlight which method you applied. So step 1, I hope you know this method properly. Yes, either one equation, either two utilize. I start to from 2, 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. What is the x? 4 minus 2y. So x is getting 4 minus 2y by 3, and that is your equation number, students. It is 3. Yes, 4 minus 2y by 3. I just separated. Now, step 2. We substitute value of this x, 4 minus 2y by 3, students, in the equation number. Which equation first you start? From 2. So substitute in the equation number 1. It means our from 1, it is 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. So 8x is known you, 5y and is equal to 9 is easily. What is the x? 4 minus 2y by 3. And here, students, you just literally apply LCM. 3 LCM, so 8 4s are 32, 8 2s are 16y, 5 3s are 15y, and 9 3s are 27 totally. So you getting just value 32 minus 16y plus 15y, it is minus 1y, and is equal to 27 is same as. Yes. So 32 minus 27 is equal to y. So what is the y? It is 5. 32 minus 27. Yes, y ready. Now step 3. You know that. What is your step 3? Yes, from 3. Your equation number 3 is that x is equal to 4 minus 2y by 3. Apply that value. 4 minus 2, y is a 5. Yes. And you know that it's very simple calculations. 5 to the 10 by 3. How many? 4 minus 10? Minus 6 by 3, which is minus 2. It means my solution is yet done. X comma y, which is minus 2 comma. What is y? Yes, it is 5. And here students, your 1.5 marks done by substitutions method. Now I start our cross multiplication method, and in exercise same that. Numerical is same, but our method different. Answer same. So I start now our same equations by cross multiplication method. So equation. So now students, apply by cross multiplication method. First of all, we arrange in the standard form. Compulsory students, you arrange in standard form, because this 9 take left side, 4 take left side, then you start our cross multiplication method. Without arrange, you can't apply your standard form, the method for our cross multiplications. So 3x plus 2y minus 4. Now I start. Yes, we compare. Necessary comparing a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 with equation number 1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 with equation number 2. So what you get? a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. Yes students, a1 is 8, 5, minus 9, and here 3, 2, minus 4. And now check out our conditions wise to calculations. Students, cross multiplication method necessary you check the conditions. Yes. Then after start our method properly. So here a1 by a2. How many? 8 by 3. And b1 by b2. How many b1 by b2? 5 by 3. Check. Both are not same. So 8 by 3 is not equal to 5 by 2. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. It means unique solution exists. Therefore, unique solution or a unique solution exists. Now I start by cross multiplication method. First of all, arrange in our coefficients x, y, 1, and so here our values for 8, 5, 9, minus, and secondly 3, 2, minus 4, and going to method wise. So what's your method? X below, y below, and 1 below. These are cross multiplication values, right? So one more time, x value you put up your head in this here. What the remaining? Yes, remaining is a 5, 2, minus 9, minus 4, and here make your cross multiplication posture. Yes, same as after that one, here putting your one hand at the position of 1, and what the remaining? 8, 5, 3, 2, here mention 8, 5, 3, 2, and applying the cross multiplication symbol, and lastly this y, means this y are the missing terms, and remaining are write down in the interchange position, minus 9, 8, and minus 4 3 in this portion wise. So are the values for applying that, and we get x, y and 1 value. So students, I just going ahead to further calculations. Here 5 4s are first principal diagonal multiplying. Similarly here y, and similarly here 1. So here 5 4s are 20, minus 20, minus compulsory, and these two are 9 2s are 18, but minus 18. Same as y, 9 3s are 27, minus. Here 8 4s are 32, but minus 32. Yes, and last of the 8 2s are 16, and 5 3s are 15. It means finally x below all numbers are ready. Here 1, here minus 20 plus 18, and here minus 27 plus 32. So you getting just x, y, and here 1 by 1. Here how many? It is 5, and 18 minus 20, it is minus 2. So you compare with first with last. So x by minus 2 students, 1 by 1, and y by 5 is also 1 by 1. It means x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. So my solution is by both method. Yes students, you also check out our both method, substitutions method and cross multiplication method. Answer is same coming. It is minus 2 comma 5. Indirectly students, you also calculate this numerical by the elimination method. Is also they cover to same answer. Now students, here we are done for this exercise question number. Our second, both big numerical and third also big numericals, and this part is also done students. Further explanations for this exercise numerical I explain you in the next part. Bye bye.